the circle of fifths. There you go, nothing more needs to be said, goodbye. Okay, but what's going on here? Because I've heard that phrase before, but what is the circle of fifths? Well, I'll show you. Firstly, for once, the piano might not be the best instrument to use for this. Here we go. A perfectly round circle of all the fifths laid out in an easier fashion. Now, there's a reason for this. Generally speaking, all of the notes, keys and chords that are next to each other are more similar than those on the opposite side of the circle of fifths. They share similar notes and you'll often find those chords in each other's keys.
Gross.
This is helpful in a lot of ways because you can use the knowledge from this diagram in your compositions. Feeling bored of the key you're in? Well, go someplace far away. Want to transpose to a different key? Well, a 5-1 normally gets you there. If I wanted to go from the key of C to the key of D, I could use an A, the fifth, to go to my new 1 chord in D. I would suggest having this diagram up on a wall to memorise it. However, it does seem much more fun to learn by doing and is far more effective when it comes to music, which is why I'm using MusicLab to show you how you can interact with the circle of fifths. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. What if I wanted to learn the Lydian scale? Well, here it is. This app is completely free to download and have a go, and like me, MusicLab wants to make learning music theory actually interesting, and they've been awesome enough to give me a link just for you, my audience, to use in order to download the full version of their app 20% off. The link's in my bio.